Yeah, babe.
Shalana,
Mm.
some water commission man or somebody in a water commission shirt outside across from my yard. I don't like this.
Yeah. I'm still.
You have one mask, you have one army hat. But you know what the funny thing? You have locks.
Mm.
But ain't never seen no employed people who have locks though.
Alright. No, you me go do. Me I meet the lady come link here now. Me I call her and tell her to come link here.
Shalana, hurry up,
Yeah, yeah?
hurry up and come to no Shalana. Just come stay with me so me alone don't want to stay here. At 2 days me have to get ready.
Alright, me so far.
Alright. Later.
Bubbles, yeah, use your phone? Oh, drop it. Yeah, learn it like a girl. Hello? Yes, morning. Is this Princess? Yeah, Angela Brissett here. Quick, say I must give you a call. Yeah, we're almost there. Yes, man, he did. Okay. Good. Now we there now. We're not in a no argument with the police. And you know, say, they would have said we should have known better. Exactly. Princess? Princess?
Hello, morning.
Morning. Angela Brissett here.
The gate open. Can go.
I see you taking the necessary precautions though.
Why, miss? I'm not take no chance. I'm not take death threat lightly.